Parking in countries like Singapore can be a hassle sometimes, due to price, crowd, and even finding a nearby car park. Our aim is to create a user-friendly Android application which can overcome these issues by making car park information such as proximity, parking rates, and availability more readily available. With the help of these APIs and tools, we have made a prototype of our app, Parkevelution, for Orbital Milestone 2. My teammate Abhishek will now run through these features that we have implemented and how to use them.
Okay, so we have the app right here in the home screen, and upon opening this app, if the location service of the Android phone is switched off, then the app will actually prompt the user to switch it on, because many of our app's features require the location to be switched on. And okay, let's go quickly do that. Once the location is switched on, we can actually see the current location of the user as a blue dot on the map, as it can be seen, and we can also see like the 50 closest car parks in the vicinity of this location. And let's say the user wants to travel to a location and he wants to see what's the closest car parks in that vicinity, so he would just go onto the search bar right here and let's say Lakeside, and we can see that before the user completes his search query, our search bar would actually auto-complete it for him and suggest places. And this, in my opinion, makes it very convenient for the user to search for places. And upon selection of this location, the map will auto-update. A pin is dropped onto the location, as we can see over here. And as seen, the 50 car parks also are refreshed to display the car parks which are in the vicinity of this location. And let's say the user wants to see the location of the car park in the map, then he can just press the button we have right here to see what it looks like on the map, as it can be seen. And yeah, so that's it for proximity. And when we can also view the prices of these car parks which we have right here, and we can see where the car park lies. And for now, the pricing information which we have is taken straight from the database and displayed right here. But in the future, what we plan to do is that we plan to use the app to obtain the current date and time from the user's phone, and using the current date and time, we would display the real-time price of the car park. And we'll also sort all these car parks we have right here in accordance to the price, so from cheapest to the most expensive ones right here. And we also have this availability tab which shows the real-time parking lot availability of all the car parks which we have. And we can also see the parking lot type of the car parks in this view. And let's say the user wants to view more detailed information about the car park, then he can just press this arrow icon we have right here, and this brings him to a page where he can actually view the rough route to the car park from his location in the map on top. And apart from this, you can also see like the address of the car park, block 517B and whatnot. And this address is actually obtained from the database as well. And the driving time, which proves to be quite useful in certain cases, is also displayed right here. And we also have all this detailed parking information like the car rate, the motorcycle rate, the timings of that, and we have the lot type and the parking lot availability, as we saw right there. And we also plan to implement this feature in the future called estimated travel cost. And what this feature will do is it will actually compute the petrol mileage of the user's vehicle to that selected location and give a rather accurate estimate of what's the travel cost to that location. And this more info button over here, it doesn't work yet, but in the future what we plan to do is we want to actually display the detailed parking lot trends, parking lot availability trends, so that the user can actually estimate what the parking lot availability will be like on different days and at different times, and it'll, in our opinion, actually help him plan ahead. Yeah, that's it we have for now. The features we have added so far, we hope that they will come in handy and will actually aid the parking experience of the users. Alright, so thank you.